At Indigo Power, we're creating a network of community batteries to share clean, locally generated energy and keep the lights on when it matters most.
Back in 2021, we installed our first community battery here in Yackandandah to share locally generated clean energy with the community.
And we knew these batteries could do so much more. Following the Black Summer bushfires, we worked with the Upper Murray community to install 3 community batteries, providing backup power to 2 hospitals and an emergency relief centre.
That was just the beginning. With support from the federal government, we worked out how to deliver a fleet of community batteries across regional Victoria and southern New South Wales.
And when grant opportunities arrived from federal and Victorian governments, we were ready. Our most recent community battery was launched in Yarra Junction, with 2 more coming to Wodonga.
Thanks to funding from the Australian Renewable Energy Agency, we're now set to deliver 10 more, stretching from Tumbarumba in the snowy valleys of New South Wales all the way down to Warburton in Melbourne's hinterland. These community batteries will be going where they can have the biggest impact. Critical community sites like emergency relief centres, so that power is always available when it's needed most. And sites that can generate and store renewable electricity, ready to be shared with our customers each evening.
We are ready to deliver 680 kilowatts of solar and 5.8 megawatt hours of battery storage.
But to make it happen, we need your support. ARENA has committed $4.2 million if we can contribute $1.5 million. We're securing a local bank loan and now seeking investment to complete the funding required. Your investment will help expand our community battery fleet from the 1.3 megawatt hours of battery storage currently funded or in operation to over 7 megawatt hours.
That's almost enough to offset the net energy consumption of all our customers over the 2024 calendar year.
This fleet of community batteries will be the cornerstone of Indigo Power's clean energy asset management business, sharing more renewable energy with our customers and providing backup storage to critical community sites at the same time.
Invest in Indigo Power today to help us deliver this transformational project, so that we can continue our mission to power our communities with 100% renewable energy.